Hello, YouTube. Wow. Here we go. This is gonna be my first video. I am a college varsity soccer MVP. I've played hockey all my life. I've played tennis all my life. I played baseball. Big athlete, basically. And this is the only game that I can find that same competitive aspect that sports brings. So this game's awesome. My favorite players are easily, apparently, Jack and Reddles. I do obviously enjoy like watching like Vatira, Drawley, Monkey Moon, Zen, like all those top tier players. Rawas, TRK, Nobu, like obviously so many players nowadays that are just crazy at the game. But Jack and Rados for sure are my favorite players. This Rocket League channel, I guess, the channel plans is mainly just twos and ones. Maybe some threes games if my brothers are up to it, and we'll see how that goes. But probably just solo queuing twos and obviously just ones. But yeah, let's get into it. I'll play one game of twos and then one game of ones, and then I'll post that, and I'll try to be daily YouTube posts, and if not that, at least every 2 days. But daily is the goal, and I'm gonna try to set myself to that. And how hard can that be? That's brutal. That was a terrible flick. We got Rocky on our team, playing against Paleontologist 09 and PK Turtleflex. I'm gonna go back here. Mid boost should be free. I'm gonna take my time. He got a bump, so I know if I just beat him, I can score. Yes, sir. There we go. I really hope the quality is good, man. I'm gonna go left here. I should be able to take this off. No. Kind of trolled there, but I'm still able to get the 50, which is big. I got bumped, but if anything, that helped me slow down to get mid boost. I think my teammate's gonna cut. He got bumped. Completely missed. I'm gonna try to demo this guy. Can't because it'll leave the net open. Teammates should have this. I'll go get beans. Fake. Yep. Oh, that's not good. Would have been cool, but not even close. Ready to get back for my teammate. Watch out for the demo because that would have been good. Both are deep. I was hoping it was going to be higher. Just going to try to chill here, wait for the 50. That's good enough. Try to get back in case my teammate can't bring it somewhere. That's pretty safe. Bring it to the corner. He gets beans. I thought I was going to get challenged. It's a good 50. Read, whatever you want to call it. messes up, so that kind of puts me in an awkward position. Should be able to get beans, no problem. Teammates should be able to get mid. I'm gonna fake this. Top Chad. Too high. I gotta get beans, can't get beans. Teammate. I see no one's challenging me. Oh. Oh. Wow. My bad. Okay. Ah! That would have been cool. Yeah, see, it's just easy, man. Like, those shots, too easy, but the redirects, or whatever you want to call it, the sidewalls, just miss. But that, num 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 num. I eat that shit all day. Let's get 50. I called on when you're right, but teammate decided to go left. That's alright. Directions are hard sometimes. Tried to pop it over him. Teammate should be able to 50. Poor 50, but I lost the ball in the corner, so that's my bad. Well, that's actually criminal that both of them were that deep. I don't know. Whatever. 2-2. Here we go. Ooh. Fake it. Go up. Troll the first touch. Free. Wow. Well, that's some Rocket League right there. We take those. Brutal first touch. I don't know where I'm going, but that's okay because we scored. I'll give him on your left twice, because just to really make sure he understands. I can't go here. Teammate might be able to demo. Please demo. Nice. I can't do anything. I'm just going to grab mid. I should go up for this, but I don't think he's good enough to score. Well. My bad, I guess. Little confusion. Pass to my teammate. Doesn't get to him. That might be in. Yep, nice. Alright, the idea worked. The idea worked. Was it the way I intended? No. But it worked. So that's all that matters. I gotta dunk him. Missed. That's unfortunate. Ah. I gotta try to pass this to teammate. Okay. I messed up my chain dash. And now I'm just chasing, but that's okay because I can get the ball away from net. Teammates should be able to get this no problem. Please don't give it away. Kind of sketch. I might be able to. Yeah, no, too slow. I didn't like the angle of my cut there, so I figured teammate would probably have a better chance with the ball than me, so I tried demoing. Alright, teammate definitely should have won for that ball, but what am I supposed to do here? And that's game. Alright, right on. That was a stressful one, but we take those. Let's get a ones game going here. Let's have a stressful, what am I trying to say here? Holy. Let me think. Let's continue. No. We're going to congratulate ourselves. That's not the right way to say it, but we're going to congratulate ourselves with a stressful game by playing the most stressful mode. And that's all I can say. I don't know how else to say it, but it's what I mean. But whatever. Let's get locked in. I don't even know what I'm talking about at this point. Alright, right on. Good kickoff. Good start. This guy's got a skip. Big Yavo. The clan name he's in is Yavo. Alright, another good kickoff. Nice. Alright. Hawaiian shirt connoisseur. Uh-oh. Yeah, unlucky. That's alright, I got 2 kickoffs. I'm fine with giving up 1. And now here I do the dark. And he should go for my corner. He didn't go for the corner. He's gonna go for mid though, which if I could flick properly it would have been free. But I stink. So that'll get you. Okay, he's probably gonna try to get beamed or something. So I think I have time. Probably. Wow. If he's smart, he would have went for my beans. But he's not smart, and he gives me a perfect pass. So we take those. Right on, Sebo. Nickel. Okay. I didn't like the angle, but no, this should just be free. Yep. Holy cow, it's 4-1. Wow, right on. I didn't even realize. I mean, I guess I got the 2 kickoff goals right at the start, and then that one, and then another one, obviously, because that's 4. But... Nice. Alright, bye-bye. Please, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright, we're still here, but that's okay. That doesn't mean I am. Still got to be locked in. Another good kickoff, which is huge. Kickoff game has been huge against this guy. I trolled that one, so I can't really jump. Might as well get Mackie. If I could get a proper first touch. Alright, well that's just free. Right on. Okay, well, I think I'm just better than this kid, which is good news. But I could also troll very easily. Like that. Yeah, see. Kickoff. But got 2 kickoff goals, which is a good look, but... Oh no. But it's not good to let in kickoff goals because another kickoff's gonna happen. So if I keep losing kickoff goals like I am right now, another one, that's gonna be like 20 seconds of gameplay. 18, see, which is still like kickoff technically in ones. So danger. I am in incredible danger right now. Alright, well that's just annoying. And he went for a bump, which is stupid. What am I doing? Okay, I'm gonna fake this. And go. And he's probably gonna try to bump me or something. He didn't. Okay, wow, I suck. Fake it because it's a weird one? Uh-oh. And just like that, the 6-1 lead is now 6-4. Wow, I'm good at this game. Alright. Okay, well, kickoff in our favor, but it's on the wall and he gets beans. And that's just a perfect pass. I'm gonna make it weird for him, sort of. Except he gets a really good touch. That should be in. Yes. Can always count on the old Mox flick. Salut les frérots, aujourd'hui on est avec le retour de Road to First. Puis on est maintenant à 10e place avec 2100 points. Mais uh-oh. Carrier sucks wrong. Okay. C'est beau. He's yanking beans. But is he good enough? He is not. Alright, well I got beans, so that's all that matters. He's gonna get mid though. Not if I can help it. What is he doing? Nice. Good save. Okay, well, honestly, he scored, sure, but it doesn't matter. Thank God. We're good. Alright, well, that's a good start to the YouTube career. Maybe we can get another one. Yep. Nope. But there we go. 2 games, 2 wins. That's got to be a good sign. I'll see you in the next. I'll be posting probably 3-4 games. You know what? Maybe I'll do 4 games. 2 games of 2s, 2 games of 1s. We'll see you in the next.